Hey restaurant owners, are you ready to take your dining experience to the next level? Ever wonder how to make your place the talk of the town? How to create a buzz that keeps people coming back for more? Today, we're going to let you in on a little secret: interactive dining experiences. These are not just fleeting trends, they are revolutionizing the way people dine out. It's not just a trend, it's a game changer. Imagine your restaurant buzzing with excitement, filled with customers who are not just eating, but also engaging and having fun. First off, let's talk competition. The dining world is incredibly competitive, with so many choices out there. The dining world is cutthroat, with so many choices out there. How do you make your restaurant stand out in such a crowded market? The answer is simple: by creating an unforgettable experience that leaves a lasting impression. Interactive dining goes beyond just serving food. It creates memories, it engages and entertains your customers, making them eager to come back. Imagine a place where diners are not just passive consumers, but active participants. Imagine this: diners not only enjoy a meal, but also get to be part of the action. They could be learning to cook a dish, participating in a themed event, or even interacting with the chef. Whether it's a themed restaurant that whisks them away to another world, or a tech-savvy menu that lets them customize their orders, the possibilities are endless. Themed nights, interactive menus, and live cooking shows can all add a unique touch. One restaurant even saw a spike in reservations by incorporating live music, interactive games, and a seasonally changing menu. But why stop there? The more interactive elements you add, the more memorable the experience, and a seasonally changing menu. But why stop there? How about giving your customers a chance to interact with the chef? This can make the dining experience even more special. How about giving your customers a chance to interact with the chef? Learning about the culinary process straight from the expert can be a fantastic way to engage them. Learning about the culinary process straight from the expert can be a fantastic way to engage them. It adds a personal touch that makes the experience unforgettable. It's these unique touches that make your restaurant memorable. Think about the benefits. Happy customers are loyal customers. They'll not only come back, but also spread the word, giving you free brand advocacy. Word of mouth is incredibly powerful, and happy customers are your best marketers. Your sales go up, your reservations are always booked, and your online reviews through the roof. Positive reviews and word of mouth recommendations can significantly boost your restaurant's reputation. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of interactive dining and watch your restaurant's success skyrocket. The future of dining is here, and it's interactive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on taking your restaurant to the next level. See you next time. Smash the like button if you're a fan.